I have a Westinghouse 143 freestanding cooker. Two of the stove elements only work on high or off no matter where the dial is set. What parts do I need to replace to get them working correctly?
Hi there, Michelle, and welcome. Thank you for your question today. The simmer-stat dimmer switches which control the flow of electricity to the hot plates are the problem. If the hot plates will only run full ball and will not accept any other manual adjustments when you turn the knobs, etc. Here are a universal set of dimmer switches that will fit your freestanding cooker and fix the problem also. You're better off replacing the entire set in one hit, as they are wired in series. http://www.ebay.com.au/it/Chef Simpson Westinghouse Simmerstat Switch MP1014 Park /25062043926 PT equals AU_cooktops and hash equals item 3A5A246A4. These Simmerstat switches are universal and will fit your cooker at 1/4 the price of the originals. Okay, it's just a matter of gaining access to the control switches and swapping them out, wire by wire, one at a time. Make sure you switch the mains power off to the cooker, prior to attempting this repair also. Okay. Cheers. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41403.9808163079. Even if you choose not to do this repair, but buy the parts and get a tech to fit them for you, you should save around $150 at least.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.